Binasag na ni Kim Chu ang kanyang katahimikan kaugnay sa mga naglalabasang balita hinggil sa umunoy away nito sa kanyang kapatid na sila Cam Chu. Matatandang ilang buwan na ding usap-usapan na may issue o problemang kinakaharap si Kim at sila Cam kaugnay sa pera. At ngayon nga, sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay kinumpirma na ng aktres ang issue nilang magkapatid. Kung noong mga nagdaang linggo ay cryptic post lang sa social media ni Kim ang ginagawa nito at pag-unfollow sa isa't isa ang tila indikasyon na may sigalot nga sila. Ngayong araw ay ginulat ng aktres ang publiko dahil sinampahan nito sila Cam ng qualified theft dahil sa malaking halaga ng perang nawawala sa negosyo ng aktres. Ayon sa nilabas na statement ni Kim, labag man umano sa kanyang loob ang ginawa nito sa kanyang kapatid. Ngunit matapos ang ilang interval reviews, kinakailangan umano talagang sampahan ng kaso ni Kim sila Cam dahil sa substantial amount of money ang pinag-uusapan. Ayon kay Kim ay ginagawa niya ito upang maprotektahan ang kanyang negosyo at maging ang kanyang mga empleyado. I am issuing this statement with a heavy heart and with deep respect for the truth and for the people who have supported me throughout my career and my business journey. After careful consideration and months of internal review, I have made the difficult decision to file a legal case for qualified theft against my sister, Lakambini Chu, in relation to serious financial discrepancies discovered within my business operations. This decision did not come easily. It is one of the most painful steps I have ever taken in my life. As many know, I built my business ventures with hard work, passion, and trust in the people I love. Unfortunately, substantial amount connected to my business assets were found missing. These discoveries forced me to take formal action to protect not just my company, but also the livelihoods of the people who work with me and the integrity of everything I have built. This is private family matter that has now become a legal process. I am choosing transparency, responsibility, and accountability, not only for myself, but also for the brand and community that has supported me from the beginning. I ask for understanding, respect as our family navigates this very difficult chapter. I am hopeful that through the proper legal channels, clarity and fairness will prevail. Despite this painful situation, I remain committed to my work, my supporters, and the continued growth of my business ventures. I also continue to pray for healing and resolution for everyone involved.